What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 18 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, April 30th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. And before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. As you can see, your boy's portfolio is down 20% if you look in the upper right corner. I know a lot of you are asking for like, hey, are you up, are you down? That's where you can see every single week, every Saturday where I'm at. And again, if you're new to the series, you're gonna see some stocks in my portfolio in my app that are not on this chart because they were purchased outside of this challenge, either before or in the middle of it. So just to give you a heads up, if you're new and things are kind of off, that's the reason why. So just focus on this tracker. I went ahead and added 75 more shares to my Jacque play, as you can see right here. So like now I have 4 built up positions for this portfolio. As you can see, I got APXT, Future FinTech, Jacque, and Tattooed Chef at 125 currently. Again, you can see all the red on the right side. And let me know down below if you guys were flat also, or you guys were like way down in your portfolios. And because again, it's been like this for the past 2 to 3 weeks. Whatever Wall Street is doing, not cool, but it is what it is. We gotta play along, right? So let's go ahead and go to the transactions tab just to show you like where I added it at. Where I added my Jacque, 75 shares, and so I'm tracking the dates. I'm letting you guys know when I'm putting things in and when I'm getting rid of them, when I'm selling them, if you're new to the series, and option plays. So this was quite interesting. So I went ahead and like burned BNGL like I told you guys that I would, and I ended up losing out, I think 199. Let me see. Yeah, 199. And then I went along with Chris's put option that he had right here on Snap, and I'm getting a return of $44. So right now I'm down 296 in the hole in this challenge. And well, this option play isn't like necessarily a challenge, but I'm just kind of like learning along as I go through this thing. So far it's not too bad. I actually thought it'd be a lot worse than what it is right now, so it's all good. Learning every single day. And probably next week I'm gonna get into the I guess you call it the option masterclass that Chris has, and try to learn a little bit more moving forward. So right now, all the ones in white are still active. All the ones that are red are dead. All the ones that are green are good to go, or I made a profit in it. And so yeah, right now I have those 3, and I'll probably end up burning, let's see, Nano, probably in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Because right now, because that correction just murdered it. So going to deposits. So how much did I put in this week? So I put in 1,000 this week, and so I'm at a grand total of 6,050. And once we go into my app, I'm going to show you like my transactions and my transfers from my bank account to Robinhood. That way you guys know like, hey, I'm not hiding anything. You guys know exactly what I'm putting in every single week. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into my app. Here we are inside my app. As you can see, I'm currently at $10,015.82 in the whole entire portfolio. Again, this doesn't showcase like just only the Chris Sain portfolio, so just FYI, there are some other stocks that I have included with this, so just a heads up. And buying power is at 257.47, and option plays look a little bit slimmer than last week. As I said before, I burned BNGO, and then scroll down, and then from Apple all the way down is part of the challenge. And so let's see, let's dive into Jacque. So Jacque for the week, I'm up 2.04%, and as you can see, currently right now I'm down about 11% as a total return. APXT. See, your boy's down 1.74% for APXT. Total return down 28%. Tattooed Chef for the week, I am up 0.57% so far with a total return of down about 30%. Future FinTech for the week, I am up 6.65% for the week. So this has probably been my best performance so far, obviously, this week, and I'm still down 34.75% in this play. So again, pretty much flat, you know, so hopefully days will start turning green the next 2 to 3 weeks. And let's dive into my transfers so you guys can see how much money I'm putting in. So as you can see on the screen, I deposited $100 on the 29th, and I deposited $900 on the 27th of this week. So again, being completely transparent with you guys how much I'm putting in, and I haven't taken any money out. I haven't transferred any money to my bank account at all whatsoever. So just want to give you guys notice on how much money I am putting into this whole entire thing. So but that's all I have for today, guys. If you like the video, give your boy the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.